Unboxing your AutoFloorGuard mat. Included in the box is the containment mat, squeegee, and the stay-put corners. Start by taking out both elements of the squeegee and attaching the squeegee head to the telescoping pole. Next, take the mat out of the box and start removing the plastic. After the plastic has been removed, start unfolding your mat. Once your mat is fully unfolded, we highly recommend you giving it time to sit so the mat can fully set. Next, you'll install the stay-put corners. Please give time for the adhesive to fully adhere to the mat and your garage floor before using. And now your mat is ready to be driven onto and start keeping rain, mud, snow, or any substance on the mat and off your garage floor.